Want to unlock the secret to turning your Lazada shopping spree into actual cash you can use anywhere? First, let's be clear. There's nitrogen monoxide direct button within Lazada to magically transfer your PayLater credit to GCash. We need to get a little creative. This method involves essentially using your PayLater to buy something, then selling it for GCash. Find a high-demand, easily resellable item on Lazada. Think phone accessories, popular gadgets, or even in-demand household goods. Make sure it has a good resale value. Add the chosen item to your cart. Proceed to checkout. At the payment options, select Lazada Pay Later. Complete the purchase. Once you receive the item, it's time to convert it to GCash. List the item for sale on online platforms like Facebook Marketplace, Carousel, or even your own social media. Price it slightly below retail to attract buyers quickly. When you find a beer, arrange payment via GCash. Provide your GCash QR code or account details. Once the beer sends the GCash payment, confirm the transaction, then arrange for the beer to receive the item. Congratulations, you've effectively turned your Lazada PayLater credit into usable GCash funds. Use it for anything you want: bills, groceries, or even just treating yourself. Remember to manage your PayLater repayments responsibly.